Violence was something I'd seen in movies and TV. I thought I knew how it would affect me. Doing it in person, for real, nobody's ready. The visions of brains splattered on the dirt, that instant stays with you forever. The ghosts never leave you. Not really.
All right, listen up. Kevin used to move a lot of product for us. He used to sell to some of our biggest buyers. And he's been a friend for a long time. So we're just here to say hello, right?
It's nothing stupid, in fact. Just keep your mouth shut.
Just let me and Bill do the talking.
Of course.
I'd started dealing coke in college. Some guys from a gang noticed my cash flow. So 6 months prior, I was initiated into their gang. Mark was top boss around town. Bill was always right there next to him. They didn't come to some distributor's house for nothing. This was bigger than what they were letting on.
Mark. Hey, Bill.
Kev?
What are you guys doing here?
Yeah, we were just in the neighborhood. Thought we'd stop by and say hello.
Yeah, hey, it's been a while. I just got out of the prison last week.
I heard.
Who's the new guy?
Tommy.
Nice to meet you.
You got a minute? You can come in?
Yeah, okay.
This guy, yeah? Smells good in here.
Yeah, I learned how to cook. That stuff in the clink is the shits. Culinary arts, who knew, right? You guys want water, beer, chocolate milk?
Chocolate milk? Tommy's no baby.
I'm just trying to be friendly, you know.
You ever go to somebody's house and drink chocolate milk?
No, but my little girl actually loves chocolate milk.
So now Tommy's a little girl.
It's not like that.
Tommy, you give Kev a slap upside of the head, show him you're not a little girl.
No offense taken. It's fine, Mark.
We'll take a couple of beer. Bill, you want a beer, right?
I'll take a beer.
Tommy, you want a beer or chocolate milk?
Beer sounds good.
That's what I figured.
So, what is wrong?
You said anything's wrong?
Well, you guys don't stop by anymore, and I haven't got a job yet.
Why would we stop by? You've been inside for the last several months. We just stopped by to say hello. By the way, it's amazing the light sentence you got.
You know, I'm feeling a bit depressed to be out so soon.
Yeah.
Another guy got triple the time you did for half as much as you were caught with.
The only way I know of to get such a light sentence is to make some kind of deal.
It's not like that.
I hear your sink. It's a leak.
Been friends a long time, Kev. You've helped me fix some leaks before. You know why we're here.
Hey, I pleaded guilty and got a reduced sentence. That was it.
Jesus Christ, Kev. Sometimes, when your sink leaks, you can fix the problem by just replacing the broken part.
I like to fix a problem with a wrench and duct tape.
Yeah, but sometimes. Sometimes, if the leak is really bad, the only way that you can take care of it is by replacing the sink completely. Now, what I need to know here, Kev, is how bad is my leak? Are we talking a little leak here? Are you about to flood my whole fucking house? Did you talk?
For God's sake, Mark, you know me. I never leaked.
Tell your daughter to go upstairs.
Bailey, I need you to go upstairs, sweetheart.
Everything okay, Dad?
Yeah, it's all good. Me and my friends just need some privacy for a little bit.
You see, Skinny Steve told me that he saw you talking to the feds just before you were released.
You know Mark finds out stuff like that. Why would you lie?
I fucking talked for a lighter sentence.
Jesus Christ.
I had to. I'm all my daughter has.
Fuck!
All I did was out some of my buyers. Oh, come on, man. You understand?
I would have had somebody look after your daughter. Kevin, you dumb fuck! What am I supposed to do now? How am I ever supposed to trust you again? Fuck. Bill, take care of this fucking leak. Tommy, get that son of a bitch! You son of a bitch!
Come on, Mark! Give me one more chance, I promise! I won't talk again!
Shut up! Shut the fuck up! You shot Bill! You shot me! Tommy, you do it.
They say once you open some doors, they never close. Mark knew once he opened this door, there wouldn't be any going back.
Damn, this hurts. You okay? You're not shot, are you?
I'm good.
Good. Put Kev's body in the back of the truck. Drop him off at the ice cream factory. Big Al will be waiting. And then I'm gonna take care of the girl. Hey, it was good work, Tommy.
I'd end up helping to knock off 12 more guys in the next couple months. Some of them my friends, some my enemies. Violence was something I thought I was ready for, but doing it in person, for real, nobody's ready for it.